I always consider it a privilege to address my fellow Southern Baptists, and today I especially want to address those who will be messengers to the 2026 session of the Southern Baptist Convention meeting in Orlando, just a matter of weeks from now. We'll do a great deal of business. We always do. We're going to enjoy a tremendous amount of fellowship. We always do that as well. We enjoy and celebrate our unity, and we stand together in truth. It is for the cause of our unity in the truth that I intend to bring a motion to the Southern Baptist Convention in Orlando to amend the Constitution of the Southern Baptist Convention. I'm going to move that the messengers to the Southern Baptist Convention meeting in June 2026 amend the Constitution of the SBC to add an enumerated sixth item under Article 3, Paragraph 1, defining composition. This new language would make clear that a cooperating Southern Baptist church does not act to affirm, appoint, or endorse a woman serving in the office or function of a pastor, elder, overseer, such as preaching to the assembled congregation. I will move the suspension of Standing Rule 6 so that the Committee on the Order of Business may schedule this motion for debate and consideration at this very 2026 annual session. I believe the need for this is made abundantly clear. Frankly, that need has been building in recent years, and the Southern Baptist Convention has always risen to the occasion and met the need of this kind of challenge with a statement of conviction. That's true of our confession of faith. It's true of other actions the SBC has taken. A generation ago, the SBC took this kind of action in the Constitution by making very clear that our cooperation is not extended to those who would endorse or affirm LGBTQ lifestyles and activities. And so that has clarified the SBC's conviction. It has created even deeper unity in the truth. And that kind of language in the Constitution has served the SBC very, very well. One of the greatest testimonies to that is that this is not an issue of open debate at the SBC year by year, and it hasn't been for a generation. That's exactly what we need on the issue of the office of pastor. We need to be very clear about this in order that we don't have to debate and discuss this and have floor action necessary every single year. This is an issue in which Southern Baptists stand together. Our unity is clear. Our commitment to the truth is clear. Let's make our Constitution equally clear. I'll look forward, by God's grace, to seeing you in Orlando, Florida. Let's get this thing done.